Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable Touch ID on the Prime Video application, meaning that you will be required to use your fingerprint to watch restricted videos on the application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the My Stuff icon down below, click on the Settings option in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap on Parental Controls, which is the fourth option. Click on Enable Touch ID, that's the last option, and you need to turn it on by tapping on this button. Then you will be required to enter your Prime Video PIN number that you have set beforehand. Click on Authorize, and as you can see, you have successfully enabled your Touch ID authentication. From now on, you can use your fingerprint to unlock restricted content, so you won't need to type in your Prime Video PIN number that you have set beforehand. You can turn off this function anytime you feel like to do so by simply clicking on this button, and then you will disable the fingerprint authentication. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.